Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And yes, this is my first video with audio commentary. Let's see how this goes for me. So, this is my fifth video in the series of beginner to pro sim racer in GT Sport. I participate in the online races regularly in the sport mode of this game and try to improve upon my DR and SR ratings. This race is the Daily Race C of last week at Mount Fuji and I am in a Dodge Viper Group 3 car. Let me tell you, this was the most intense race that I have had in a long time. I'll show you what I'm talking about in a minute. And you can already see someone is trying to overtake from the outside and he's been pushed off the track. As usual, the Daily Race C is where we have the tire and fuel wear, and also this race had the minimum requirement of using both medium and hard tires. So there had to be a pit stop in between. So far I've been trying to just avoid any contact with anyone, and you have to pick your moments of when you want to fight in the race and when not to. In this case, I thought it was better to let him pass and I can overtake him later. So we are now in 4th position, but most importantly I have not hit into anyone, and as an average racer this is a progress that I have made in the last few races. And just as I said it, I have hit into him unintentionally, of course, but luckily he didn't spin out there and it was just a light tap from my side. So as a gesture I decided I'll just bump draft him a little bit. All's well here, no harm done. So coming to the point of the video, we are going to now see the intense racing that I was talking about at the start of this video. And oh, what happened there? Someone went off the track and luckily it didn't end up bad for him. He still maintained his position, and we can now skip forward to the main highlight of the video. So this is the third lap of the race, and now we have a Frenchman on our tail and he's gaining time on us. And I don't know why I braked so early there at the Dunlop corner, so that gave him an opportunity to overtake us, but he has a 1 second penalty, so he'll be serving his penalty in the final straight, so we'll gain back the position we have just lost. So again, skipping forward to the 5th lap of the race now, and here in this few laps we'll be having another battle with a German now. And but before that, there's something funny that's happened up ahead. You can see there's overtake prohibited, yellow flag, and then we can see the person that overtook us in the first lap, he has somehow crashed on a straight. I don't know what has happened there. It's not funny. But moving on. So the next few laps, just keep a look at the bottom right screen at the radar. The German is just behind us, and luckily we were just fast enough for him to not make a dive bomb move onto us, and fortunately he didn't. If I was in this position a few weeks ago, I would have panicked and made a mess of it, and probably lost to him, or even spin out and caused myself to end up last in the race. But I guess I'm learning from my mistakes. So, all those practice sessions and racing online is finally helping. As you can see, we are starting to have some tire wear also, and I'll be making a pit stop at the end of this lap. And here I'll be leaving you for a few laps for you to enjoy the race, and then I'll come back to you towards the end of the race, and we'll see an interesting character at the end. So now we are in the last lap and almost towards the end of the race. We are maintaining third position. Luckily I have not lost any position in between, and we had a very good battle ahead of us. Those two were really going up and down in the places, but now you will see this guy, the second place, is a real character. Just as we turn through the last corner and we are in the slipstream, and we were faster than him, but look how cheekily he behaves, going left and right and just not letting us pass. Of course you are allowed to defend your position, but not this way. This is not fair play. But overall this was a good race, and we ended up in third position, and we had the fastest lap. I was surprised by that, but luckily something to take out of it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, please like and subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon so that you get notified of my future videos, and I'll see you in my next video.